Okay, what are we making today? We're making a volcano. Very good. Number 1. What is it? Very good. Add water. Good. Add water to our glass, please. Yay! Good. Number 2. Add salt. Good. A big spoonful. Right, quickly. Yeah, and now mix. What are we doing? Mixing. Good. Can I help you? Okay. Number 3. Add baking soda. Very good. You want a big spoonful like that. Wow. Nice. Okay, now we need our colours. What colour is it, Spider-Man? It's very good. Okay, Teacher Danielle is going to help you do this bit because we only need a little bit. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. And now, what colour is it? Add blue. Let's go. Okay, are you ready for the last ingredient? Add vinegar. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow.